Hello students, in this lecture I will cover the syllabus on alternating series, which is the part of infinite series and which is the syllabus of Karnataka University Dharwad BSc Fourth Sem Mathematics Paper 1. What is alternating series? In the series, terms are alternatively positive and negative terms, so that's why which we called it as the alternating series. In an alternating series, every other term has the opposite sign. So, but wherein those terms are positive. So, alternating series test. Let a1 minus a2 plus a3 minus a4. These are be an alternating series such that an is greater than an plus 1 is greater than 0. Means what? An and an plus 1 are positive. Then the series converges if and only if limit as n approaches to infinity an is 0, then only it is convergent. So provided this limit is 0, then this alternating series is converges. So how to find the error here? The error made by estimating the sum Sn is less than or equal to an plus 1. Means what? E equal to magnitude of s minus sn less than or equal to an plus 1. Then we have got it a error there. So that is what. See that as I told you that definition of alternating series, that you put it in the summation form, summation of minus 1 power n minus 1 into an. That is which we put it in the summation form, this series that, which we called it as an alternating series. Now, how to find that, how to test that series? That we have one test that which is Leibniz test for alternating series. What is the statement of a Leibniz test for alternating series? The alternating series summation minus 1 power n minus 1 an, where all the terms of those series are positive for all n. An is greater than 0 for all n. Is convergent if that compare with the an plus 1 and an plus 1 is less than an. And also we have provided another condition for testing this alternating series. Limit an as n approaches to infinity, that becomes nth term becomes 0. Then only we have a testing for this is the alternating series. So that we can see the test derive these two conditions. One is an plus 1 is less than an, and another one is limit an equal to 0. So let us take S2n as alternating series. That alternating series, it looks like my a1 minus a2 plus a3 minus a4 and so on plus a2n minus 1 before this a2n minus a2n, and then next term of this s2n is n replaced by n plus 1 is 2n plus 2, a1 minus a2 plus a3 minus a4 and so on a2n minus 1 and minus a2n plus a2n plus 1 minus a2n plus 2. And difference of these to subtract these from that s2n plus 2 minus s2n, then it is only the remains, that is the term this a2, this is the what a2n plus 1 and a2 minus a2n plus 2. See that it is greater than 0. This means what? This s2n plus 2 is greater than s2n. It means s2n sequence S2n is monotonically increasing sequence. So then also we have that S2n. See that we have a S2n, just clubbing the term except first term, so that we have a bracketed term a2 minus a3 and a4 minus a5 and so on a2n minus 2 minus a2n. Except first and last term you can leave it, and in all intermediate terms you can bracket it. So each bracketed quantity is positive and a to n is positive. so that S2n is less than A1, that is S2n is bounded above, and hence it is convergent. Now you can take a finding, that is the limit here. Limit S2n as n approaches to infinity equal to L. Now I consider S2n plus 1 is equal to S2n plus A2n plus 1. So that as we already this is 0 as limit n approaches to infinity. So that is S2n plus A2n plus 1. This is 0 as n approaches to infinity, only this is S2n plus 1. S2n is L, so that is what is also S2n plus 1 is L. So that is, now we have concluded that the sequence of Sn of nth partial sums of the series is convergence. Hence the given series is also convergence. So we have two examples for this alternating series. Rest we can have a, that is say that here already it is does an alternating harmonic series, whether it converges or diverges. This is the harmonic series. This is the alternating series. As we know that already, harmonic series always diverges. That is summation of 1 by n. It is always diverges because it is terms are decreasing in nature. So that's why it diverges to infinity. So that is, now we can see diverges to, now we can test, that is using this the alternating series test. Limit magnitude of minus 1 power n plus 1 by n as n approaches to infinity. This 1 by n is always as n approaches to infinity, it is 0. Therefore by alternating series test, this series converges, given series. And also another one, does the series diverge or converge of the following series? What is the error estimate made when approximating the sum is using S6? So that you can see that here this is always, because since it contains that is minus 1 power n plus 1, it is this an alternating series. Now we can make use of alternating series test so that we can see the nth term of this here, n by n square plus 1, as n approaches to infinity, it is 0. So definitely by this, according to that alternating series test, once if it is this limit is 0, so this is the series converges. Now we can estimate the error of S6 there. E6 is equal to S minus S6. That means what? An plus 1, it is A7. A7 is what here? 7 by 7 plus 7 square plus 1, it is 50. 7 by 50, 7 by 50 is 14 by. So that definitely it would arrive at 0.14. So that is what it is, error estimation of 100. So that 0.14 is the error of term 6 that. So up to terms 6 that. This is what in this lecture we have discussed that. What we have discussed, alternating series. What do you mean by alternating series? And when you say that alternating series, where the terms in the series are alternatively positive and negative, wherein all the terms are positive terms. And the test for alternating series using the limit test, this is the test as we have derived there. And one condition for this is an plus 1 is less than an, and limit of an as n approaches to infinity, it is 0. These two conditions for making for given series is converge or diverge. So that is what it is we have discussed in this lecture. These are the references we have followed in this lecture. So that is what we have. Thank you.